Come hang with Octa, word of the day. Come sing with Octa, word of the day. Time to find out the word of the day with OKO Books and OKO Octa. Come hang with Octa, word of the day. Come sing with Octa, word of the day.
Kids, welcome to OKO Books. My name is OKO Octa. Today, we will be learning about the word of the day. Are you ready? I think I see it now. Here it comes. The word of the day is kit, a set of tools. Fantastic! Did you guess the word correctly? Let me know in the comments below what you think the next word of the day will be. I'll see you tomorrow on Word of the Day with OKO Octa. Ta-ta!